Hi everybody, so long time no see. I really haven't been doing any makeup, so I haven't been making any videos. I've just been in a funk for a long time. But today I have this really cool palette, which I'll show you a quick peek, and I'm super excited to show you. This is the BPerfect Cosmetics Dream Big Manifest palette, or Manifest Dream Big palette. This palette retails for $41.95, and as soon as I saw it, I absolutely needed it because it has a bunch of different shadow qualities, like different types of shadows. It has shimmers, pressed pigments, glitters, duochromes, and I was really excited for that. So I have another palette by them, which is my all-time favorite palette. It is the Carnival. That is this one. So this one, it got a lot of use. So compared to the Carnival XL Pro palette, this one is a little smaller. Hopefully you like my lights. I don't know if you can actually see them in the background, but they're purple. And I actually am wearing the palette on my eyes right now. I tested it today because I wasn't sure if I was going to have time to do a video, and I really wanted to play with it. So I'm going to do swatches first. So this palette has, how many shades does it have? 35. Here, I'll just read it to you. It says 35 ultra versatile shades for endless color combinations. Everything from sultry glam through to vibrant color. If you can dream it, you can create it. It has 19 deeply pigmented matte shades, 13 stunning shimmers ranging from pressed pigments, super sparkle shadows, and stunning duochrome foils. 1 matte cream shadow or smoky shadow base. Curious how to use that. And 1 shimmer cream shadow / shimmer shadow base, and then a shimmer gloss shadow / shimmer gloss topper. It says for maximum payoff of shimmers, cream shadows, and foils, apply with either a clean finger or flat synthetic brush. So I did use a flat brush and my finger for this green and this inner corner. I think these colors, they blended so nicely. I'll show you the swatches and you guys will see for yourself. I might end up doing another look too, so hopefully you can see that. So first, this is the palette, 35 colors. The pans are pretty big. They are, let me see how big the pans are. It says 63 grams total, so I don't really know what that means. I don't know how big the shades are. But here's how it looks. I did dip into a few of them to touch them. We'll zoom in a little bit. They're beautiful. And it came in a uni carton that looks exactly like the palette. It has this beautiful holographic, and then inside to protect the shadows was this. It says manifest, and then it says positive words like happy, appreciate, trust, fearless. So it's like what you want to manifest. I thought that was cute. So that just lays over your shades like this. So instead of saying the shades names, it has that. And also those same words are repeated on this mirror. Let me do swatches. I'm not going to show you guys me swatching down my arm. I'm just going to do them in different categories. So I'll show you the mattes, which will probably take 2 rounds on my arm, and then the pressed pigments, the duochrome, and then the shimmers, and then the creams. So here we go. Okay, so hopefully all those swatches showed up really well. So what I noticed earlier, even when I was playing with this for a little bit, all of these feel so creamy, and those swatches, that was without any sort of primer. That was just on my bare skin. I have a lot of glitter all over my skin now because of those shimmers, but That was over nothing. I didn't put primer on. I didn't put any sort of thing. I just dipped my, like swirled my finger in twice and just went a few times, and then that was it. So these are the colors after I've swatched them. So as you can see, there's a good bit in there. There's not much, there's really not that much fallout for me digging my finger into the whole thing. The, what are they called? The cream bases and the gloss toppers, those are the ones that have almost, it's this one, they have a marbling effect in them. This one, and this one. Those are the cream bases and the shimmer gloss topper. When you swatch them, they feel just like a regular eyeshadow for me. The gloss topper, it might feel a little more creamy, but it just feels like really velvet eyeshadows to me. So if they did not tell me those were creams and glosses, I wouldn't notice a difference. The matte one swatched a little more streaky than the other mattes because I guess it's a base. I'm not really sure how to use those ones, but these mattes swatched so pretty over nothing, and I absolutely loved it. So let me take off my eye makeup. I'm going to show you these in action. Okay, so this is the final look, as you can see, the spot's starting to peek out because I've had this foundation on all day, but this is the eye look I came up with. This is using a mix of some of the mattes, the, what are they called, Super Sparkle, and the pressed pigments, I think. I think this looks really pretty. I really liked using this as a highlight, and I think this palette's a really good deal. For $41, I saved 30% by using a code, and I mean, look at all the combinations you could have. If you want to see more looks with this, just let me know. I'm a little tired because I waited hours to film the end of this, but as you can see, the look turned out really cool. They blend so easily. They're very pigmented, very buttery. I've never had issues with BPerfect Cosmetics, so I definitely recommend this palette. And the glitters and all that, they work better if you put them over a glitter primer. That's all I'll say. The shimmers, they seem to work fine. Like this, it does not have a glitter primer, no glitter primer here, but for these foiled ones and pressed ones, they work really well with the primer. So if you want to see more looks with this, let me know, and I'll definitely post that. I also have these I'll be using, the new Beauty Creations color-based primers. I'll be using those probably with this palette in the next week or so, and I'll make a video. But thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this. Bye.